Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Good
my name
morning,
is
ma'am.
Deepika Jaiswal. Today, I will teach you economics. First, all of you have to give me some general questions and guess which topic today I will cover. Okay?
Hmm.
Intro- uh, where do you go to buy vegetables?
We go to market to buy vegetables.
Okay. What you get in return of money?
We get in return of money goods.
Okay. Can we buy vegetables without money?
No, we cannot buy.
Okay. Uh, in ancient time, how people perform their buying and selling activities?
They use barter system to
Huh.
buying
Yes,
and
yes,
selling.
yes. Very good, very good. In economics, the art of giving or taking one thing in return for return and from others. What we get?
No. Hello.
Yes, yes. Economics, the art of giving or taking process. What we call it?
Barter.
Okay. So now just come. Okay. So what do we call the giving and take process in a marketplace?
Exchange.
Yes, very good. And what is the meaning of exchange in economics?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. So meaning of exchange in economics, trading of securities, commodities and other financial instrument between two or more parties is called exchange. Okay. Securities means like bonds, shares. Okay. Commodities like crude oil, different of commodities, food grains. Okay. And other financial instrument when trade happens between two or more parties, that is called the exchange. The core function of an exchange is to ensure fair and orderly trading for the trading of a securities company. Okay, and it is the main use and is this exchange is used to raise the capital. Okay,
Yeah.
so here is the best example of exchange market, that is stock exchange. A stock exchange is the place where securities, bonds, shares are traded. Okay, are traded. Okay, so here this that's why it is called a stock exchange. So how exchanging of goods and services are done?
Through the different ways of exchanges.
Okay, how many types of exchanges are there?
No, ma'am. I don't know.
So there are two types of exchange. First is commodity exchange, second is currency exchange. So a commodities exchange is an exchange or market where various commodities are traded. For example, Universal Commodity Exchange, it is a national level electronic commodity exchange in India. Okay, and which type of goods are traded here? It deals in 11 commodities: gold, silver, crude oil, chana, rubber, etc. Okay, now just see the currency exchange. It is a business that has the legal right to exchange the currency for another customers. For example, in India, the currency is circulation is called the rupee INR, Indian rupee, okay? And in the United States, the currency in circulation is called the US dollar, that is USD. An example of forex trade or foreign exchange is to sell the Indian rupee while simultaneously buying the US dollar. Okay? What what do we call the exchange of legal entity?
Commodity exchange.
Fine. What are the main functions of exchange?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. So, exchange is a marketplace of the trade of securities and commodities and derivatives and other financial instrument. It raises the capital of the economy. More than 80% of trading is done electronically. Okay, so these are the main functions which you have to remember. Now, give me the answer of these questions. What do you understand by exchange in economics?
In economics, exchange means trading of the security, commodities, and the other financial instrument
Okay,
between two
very
or
good.
more parties is called exchange.
Very good, very good. How many types of exchange are done in India?
Commodity, and next is currency.
Currency exchange. Okay.
Uh,
What are the main functions of exchange?
Exchange are the first function is exchange are the marketplace for trade of the
Hmm.
securities, commodities, and the uh, diverties and
Derivatives. Yes, very good.
derivatives and other financial instruments.
Okay, fine.
These and next is the it raises the capital of the economy.
Okay. What do you understand by commodity exchange?
It refers to the physical center where the trading taken place.
Okay. What do you understand by currency exchange?
Is uh, इसमें
What do you understand by currency exchange?
currency exchange means it the that has the legal rights to exchange one currency for the other customers.
Ye- yes, for from other currency. Okay. Now, here, students, all of you have to state that the given statements are true or false. Okay. So, an exchange may be physical location where traders need to conduct business or an electronic platform. Is it true or false?
True,
A stock exchange is used to raise the capital for the companies. Is it true or false?
true,
Commodity exchange does the exchange of commodity of legal entity. Is it true or false?
true,
Currency exchange does the exchange of currency from one country to another. Is it true or false?
true.
Exchange does the work of technology creation.
No, false.
Okay, dear students, all of you have to do homework. Here are the two questions. First question is write about the stock exchange in India. Okay, so you have to write a short note on the stock exchange in your notebook in a neat and clean handwriting. Next one is write down the full form of these abbreviations. Okay, so this is your homework. So thank you, class. I hope that today all of you have understood this today's topic. Okay. In next section we will meet with another topic. Thank you, class.
Okay, ma'am.